Hi dear my friends, how are you? Let's continue our lesson. Grade 5 Workbook, page 14, page 12. Now exercise 1. Label the pictures with the words in the box. Сөздерді қойып шығуымыз керек, суретке қарап. The first is team, команда. The next is sport, a game. Next, it is animal. Next, singer. The next is TV program. The next is food. The next is color. The last one is sport. Complete the mini dialogue. What's your favorite sport? It's tennis. What's your favorite actor? Spider-Man 2. Well, what's your favorite game? And next, who is your favorite actor? It's Tom Cruise. What's your favorite color? It's gray. Who is your favorite actress? It's Mary Carey or Katy Perry. Next, who is your favorite TV program? SpongeBob or The Muppet? What's your favorite animal? It's a dog. Exercise 3. Complete the sentences with the words. The first, my favorite game isn't Angry Birds, it's Temple Run. My favorite sport is the rugby. It's exciting. Менің сүйікті спортым регби, ол қызық тамаша. This Toy Story is a great film. Next, my friend's favorite food is curry. Adele and Rihanna are very good singers. They are fantastic. Blue is my favorite. My new bag is blue. Blue is my favorite color. Менің сүйікті түсім ол көк дейді. Robert Pattinson is an interesting film star. He's my favorite. Next. Task 4. яғни look at the puzzle and write sentences about children's favorite things. Яғни суретке қарап отырып балалардың сүйікті ісімен айналысатындарын жазу керек. For example, Aisha's favorite film is Pirates of the Caribbean. Next, Yarasul's favorite Yarasul's favorite sport is skiing. Next, Daniela's favorite sport is chess. Mark's favorite food is pizza. Next, Will's favorite team is Chelsea football team. Sophie's favorite animal is cat. Sophie'дің сүйікті жануары ол мысық. Next, to be question and short answer, яғни to be етістігін не арналған сұраулы сөйлемдер. Exercise 1. That's the match questions 1 to 7. Yeah? Are you 9 years old? No, I am not. Is Dilnaz Ahmadiyeva a singer? Yes, she is. It is D. Are Joe and Danny here? No, they aren't. Is this new film good? Yes, it is. A. Is Christian in the photograph club? No, he isn't. E. Is Roger Federer an actor? No, he isn't. G. Are we good at hip-hop dance? Yes, you are. It is C. Next, exercise 2. Write questions and answer. Сұрақ қойып қысқа жауап береміз. Are you a football fan? Yes, I am. Are they from Brazil? No, they aren't. Is it expensive? Yes, it is. Are we popular? Yes, we are. Is she a good singer? No, she isn't. Are you a basketball star? Yes, I am. Exercise 3. На судьбу қою керек. Lydia, hi. Are you new in the tennis club? Yes, I am. My name is Jazz. I am Lydia, and this is my friend Emma. Are you good at tennis? No, we aren't. We are terrible. Are you Rafael Nadal fans? Yes, we are. Is he your favorite player too? Yes, he is. He is great. So, okay. Енді сұрақтар қойып, мына жерде балы тұр. Сол сұрақ және жауап жазамыз. What's your name? My name is Nursultan. How old are you? 11. Where are you from? I'm from Kazakhstan. What's your favorite sport? Football. What's your favorite Берік Айтжанов деген кім екен? Футболист па? What's your favorite food? Who is your favorite singer? Жанар Тоқалова. So we have finished page 13. Goodbye.